Hola todo, still here with another product for tasting, and this is called the BABYBEL. Never heard of them. I guess these are. Is this one that's unwrapped here?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what they look like wrapped, and I'm assuming that this one
You still
has
have another layer. Yeah.
still one more layer. Okay.
Yeah. So peel that off.
Does that get peeled from the top or from the bottom? Peel it from the bottom up.
And then rotate it around. No, down.
Down. Okay, I see. So we're pulling it down.
And around.
And around. And there. And then it kind of rolls up as you do that.
Then
so then
out.
you pull this out.
And then you eat the inside.
And then you eat the inside. Okay. Okay, so don't eat that part.
That's wax.
That's wax. Okay, BABYBEL. Got no idea what this is going to taste like. This egg yolk?
No, it's cheese.
Oh, okay. BABYBEL cheese.
Yep.
What's so bad about that? This tastes pretty good.
There's nothing bad about it.
You're right, there's nothing bad about it. And this could go good with, I don't know, some crackers or something.
You're on a run and somebody throws you a piece of cheese, you open it up.
Yeah. Well, it took a little bit of doing to open it. Once you know how, I suppose, then it'd be no problem. This would have been nice with my pasta dinner. Could have fit in there really nice. Yeah, this is great. BABYBEL, new product. And this is the wax part, so if you like wax, you can eat that too, but the cheese is on the inside. And again, if you're in a situation where you want to get something in your stomach and you're not going to stop or whatever, this might come in handy.